Guys, we've got another advent calendar unboxing for you. This one is, I think they do a variety of different ones, and I've gone for this one. I think this one is more like bath and body care rather than any makeup. Let's take a look. Now, first of all, I want you to leave the wrapping on because you've got this really cute little bow, and I've not seen that on any other value advent calendar. I think that's a really nice touch, and this is definitely a value one. It's not a premium one, which is absolutely fine because there's a place for every advent calendar. I thought that was only a nice little touch. There's also a little booklet. I'm not reading that because I think it's the information about what's in it. And I've not really looked. I just put it in my basket and then bought it. So let's take a little look. I'll be reusing that. And also, I did just spot on the back of it, this is not tested on animals, which is, it should be like that for everything. But that's really important too. But yeah, I'm going to save that. Okay, let's open it up. That's pretty. Then this has a little plain, but that's a really pretty little picture. I like that. Tons of different shapes and sizes. I can already smell it. Smells lovely. Let's start off with day number one. Okay, let's have a look. Got a squeezy tube, candy apple hand cream, but that's good. Might have squeezed it too hard. There we go. Probably not a good idea to lather up while I'm trying to do this. That's nice. It's quite mild. But yeah, that's a nice little one. I like that. Day two, and we've got white berry shower gel. Let's have a sniff. Safety seals. That's nice. It's quite mild, but very nice. It's going to be very cute for winter baths. This is where it's going to start tumbling down. It's going to stay. Get that day three. Oh, what's this? It's a little Santa pin brooch badge. How cute is that? You know, when you do your final day at school or work, you want to wear something festive. That's adorbs. Love it. I might just put that on my Christmas tree. That's very cute. Day four. I'm hoping there's going to be more fun stuff. Oh, what we got? Oh, it looks like a bath bomb. Very gold, glitzy one. It smells nice. It smells like Lily of the Valley, I think. It's lovely though. Small one for day five. Ooh. It's earrings. It's Christmas tree earrings. How fun. Mandatory to wear when you eat Christmas dinner. Awesome. Day eight. It's a really heavily bearded Santa keyring. That'd be really cool for, I'll probably put it on my Christmas tree again. I think it's really cute. Yeah. But bear in mind that with these bits, it is a value advent calendar. This is kind of what I expected to get out of a value advent calendar. I've done reviews of beauty ones as well. And again, you get like beauty blenders and little puffs and things in there. This is what I expected. So yeah, so this is managing my expectations are, it's going to be full of value stuff. And that's absolutely fine. Oh, sugar cookie bath bubbles. Oh, hopefully this is good. That's nice. It's kind of vanilla-y. It's nice. Wish the scents were, and these products so far are not overly strong. But that's okay because not everyone likes things that are overly strong. But I think that I wish it was a little bit stronger, but they're really absolutely fine. You can definitely still smell the scent, but I wish it was a little bit stronger. I think I might have missed 6 and 7. Let's back it up. Day 6. Another bath bomb. This is a really cool colour. Isn't that a great colour? That smells like mulled wine, I think. It's very nice though. Really nice. I like that one. Those bath bombs seem to have a stronger scent than some of the bubbles, which is, you know, good. Day 7, which I missed. Warm vanilla body lotion. This one smells really nice. And it does smell like warm vanilla, like a sweet, very sweet vanilla. But yeah, that one is really strong. I like that one. Yeah, I think so far, this is my favourite. Day 10, another bottle. White jasmine bath salts. This is intriguing. I like bath salts. Oh, that's really strong. I really like it. Really nice. That one's going to be probably the strongest scented so far. That and this one are the strongest scented, and they're really nice. I like that one. That one's very like mature, not for kiddies, I don't think. Well, for anybody, but I think if you're an adult person, you're going to really appreciate that one. I wonder if they sell that separately. That's nice. Day 11. Ooh, candy apple body scrub. Now these are it's the sort of thing I would probably use like on my elbows and knees and my soles of my feet. Give a little bit of exfoliation. Nice and pinky. The Paul Tabby Doodah. Definitely apple. It's got, yeah, a mild exfoliant in it, but not terrible. It's not very super gritty. That's nice. Yeah, that's a really nice, pleasant smell. Very good. Day 12. Ooh, warm vanilla body butter. I was not expecting that. Yeah, that's really nice. Really, it's quite mild, but nice. It's like creamy smelling. That's a nice one. I like that. 13. Another squeezy. Winter berry body lotion. Let's give this one a sniff. Yeah, that's nice. It smells like blueberries. Yeah, that's really lovely. It smells like Christmas. I don't know how, but they've done it. 15. And this is a 24 box, by the way. 24 advent box. Ooh, something shiny. That's nice. This is a compact. It is a compact mirror. How nice. Good for your handbag, purse, holiday. If you use things like contact lenses, you want to touch it your makeup, never have too many of these. Lovely. 14. I'm doing it in the wrong order. Got another bottle. Warm vanilla bubble bath, which I've already smelled as well because that goes with this as well. Lovely. I do love me some bubbles. Love me some crystals. Very good. 16. I have to say, the packaging is really nice. I like the design. It's quite traditional and I like that. And the box is really sturdy. You could definitely reuse the box. I think I will for decorations. Candy apple soap, and I am a soap girly. I know it's a bit old fashioned, but I like it because it lasts a long time. Have a little sip. Yeah, that's really nice. I like that. I'll probably be using this immediately. Awesome. I like the fact there's a different mixture of stuff. I do really like that. 17. Ooh. It's a little Rudolph red nose. I think it's a little hair tip. But again, you could put that on your tree. I'm probably going to put these on my tree, these little bits. How cute. So who do I think this advent's for? I think it's for anyone. I'd say tween, a teen, a younger woman probably. Someone just wants to treat themselves. There's so many lovely bubbly bits in here. If you like a good bath, this is going to be for you. Got a sugar cookie hand cream. I've already smelt the sugar cookie, I think, so I know this one smells like. Very nice. 19. Ooh, that candy apple again. And this is one that is a shower gel. Let's give this one a little sniff, in case it's a little weaker or stronger than the other one. Okay, this one's a bit stronger. I like it though. It's really nice, very refreshing and Christmassy at the same time. I don't know how they did it. Day 20. Oh, I actually do need one of these, so I appreciate it. My elbows and things. Yeah, a little loofy scrunchy thing. We're in Christmas week now, day 21. This one's a little bit heavier. We've got that sugar cookie again in the body scrub. Oh, a long one. Day 22. Yay, bath salts again for that candy apple scent. Oh, that's really strong. The bath salts seem to be really strongly scented. I think I'm going to use this one later. That's really good. 23. What's this? Oh, yay, it's a Christmas hat. So you go out for your Christmas meal. It is mandatory. You could put your little badges on here as well. I think that's probably what I'm going to do. Awesome. And day 24. Now, this should, in theory, always be the banger. Sometimes it doesn't always happen that way, but I'm happy with that because it is another soap. This is in the vanilla. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. So yeah, what do I think? I think this is a typical value advent calendar. It would appeal to anyone who just likes baths, a little daily treat. I think this is really giftable for yourself, for someone else. I'm a bit of a fan of, I think it's a really good idea to gift these. Instead of giving someone their Christmas present, to say, hey, instead of Christmas present, I'm going to give you an advent this year. So every day they think of you. And I think this would be a really nice little gift. I think it's really pretty. I think the packaging is probably one of the better ones as well. I think it's really nice and nostalgic. Yeah, overall, I can't complain. It's a really good value, happy, pleases most people, beauty, bubbly, bathy advent calendar. So yeah, wonderful stuff. Thank you for watching.